My name's Dump Truck, and this is your Dennis Kirk Product Spotlight. All right, if you're gonna ride a motorcycle, you should probably be able to handle the stinking thing. That's where Legend suspension comes into play. This right here is a beautiful piece of equipment. These are one of my favorite things to install on a long-term build because you get instant gratification. 2 bolts and you automatically have a better machine. You have these fittings right here that move and adjust for you as your bike does to create the proper fitment, whether it's in action or sitting still. It's got this beautiful gold color. You do not need a special tool to make adjustments. One click, one click, one click. If you want it tighter for a sportier event, or if you're carrying more weight, it's really easy to do. No special tool necessary. These are made in America, right in Sturgis, South Dakota. If you've ever been to the rally, well, then you're right down the street from them. Check it out. DennisKirk.com can get you hooked up with the best Legend suspension you can find.